I'm going to teach you all about calories. This is lesson 4, how to structure a weight loss or a fat loss phase. Knowing where you're going and how long it's going to take you to get there is going to make the process a heck of a lot easier. You can't diet forever. You want to get in and you want to get out. For most people, that's anywhere between 3 and 6 months. So that's what we're going to break down here with how to structure a fat loss or weight loss phase. It all starts with the calorie deficit. If you haven't seen lesson 3, you can go back and watch that now. Once you know your calorie deficit, then we can start working on phase 1. In phase 1, we are going to find our calorie deficit, then we're going to start adhering to it, right? We're going to eat that many calories every single day. And we're going to do that for anywhere between 8 to 12 weeks. Now, after this 8 to 12 week mark, you might notice that you're getting a little burnt out of the food, you're having a few more cravings, you're also experiencing maybe a little bit of fatigue in general. After the 8 weeks, for most people, having some sort of diet break where you intentionally increase calories back up to maintenance for a few days or even a few weeks, and then go into the second phase. Then for our second phase, we are going to start by readjusting our calorie deficit. Because we just went through an 8 to 12 week weight loss or fat loss phase, we probably need a different amount of calories than when we started 3 months ago. So we then find that new calorie deficit, which is probably going to be a little bit lower, and we then run that for another 8 to 12 weeks. After 6 months of dieting, it's a good idea to take a break. Anywhere between half the amount of time that you actually spent in a deficit up to equal amount of time that you spent in the deficit. This is going to give your body a little bit of time to adjust to the new weight, lower some of that hunger signaling that accumulated over the last 6 months, and also bring back some of your energy levels. So if you dieted for 6 months, take a 3 to 6 month break from dieting before you start another weight loss or fat loss phase again. And stay tuned for the next video as we're going to cover how big of a calorie deficit is actually safe.